Hi everybody, welcome back to Salesforce troubleshooting tutorial with Firas. And in today's video we're gonna be talking about a new feature that came with a new release by Salesforce in 2023. And then you guys know that Salesforce does new updates a couple times in a year. It's in Salesforce. And specifically, we're going to be talking about, so this release actually came in 13th January 2023, and we're going to be talking about permission sets expirations in Salesforce. And as you can see, this actual permission set, it's basically the way how you want to give more access to the users. We have in security of Salesforce, you can control based on a profile and permission sets, right? So basically you will give each user one profile. They have to have one profile. Depending on that profile, they will be able to do anything that you allow them in, depending on that profile. But with permission sets, you will be able to give them additional access and assign this specific permission sets. You can assign them couple or one or two, it doesn't really matter, but you basically extending their permission in Salesforce org. So in this case, I want to show you how with new release that Salesforce just pushed in January 13th. So if I go to any permission sets, right? In this case, it's the buyer. Let's see, we're gonna click to the buyer. I'm not creating any new one. Let's see, they probably have some permission on that specific user. But what I want to show you guys, I will go ahead and assign this permission set to myself, right? And I click that to manage user, manage assignment. And then here I will try to add assignment. This is where you add a user. In this case, it's me. Since it's on the developer org, I don't have many users and licenses. I just have myself here. I click on it, right? And then it's so confusing where to click next. You actually need to scroll it. It's kind of hidden. I feel like it's a bug by Salesforce, but you scroll down, you find that next button, and then this is what I'm talking about. This is exactly spot what the new release just pushed. So basically assigning and making sure when this permission set will expire, right? Before you will do it manually, but here you actually give them, let's say in this case, you want to give a permission set on new users, maybe the contractors, right? And then they're in the company for a couple months, and it's 2 months, right? I will give them the buyer permission set and then set up the 60 days expiration and even it's specified in the time zone, right? So that's kind of cool. So I gave them, myself in this case, a 60-day permission set on the buyer. I click next and assign that, guys. Message below, what? Failure can be assigned the B2B permission set once it permission set license because your sign user license doesn't support it. Okay, that's odd, but you guys get the point. This is what you guys are gonna be doing. Let me actually create a new, right? Permission set test, and I am actually creating one. Salesforce save. Let's do it again. Add assignment. Heroes. Scroll down, next, specify the date, 60 days, assign. Sweet. So I actually create a new permission set, right? And it's permission set test. And here I will actually provide myself additional access. Maybe, let's say I don't have an access to a specific object, but here I can specify and provide myself more access, right? And you can click edit and you can provide any access you want. But I'm already admin, so I already have this access. I just basically want to show you the expiration, right, on the user. So that's how you guys do it, and this is just was pushed and released. Hopefully this is helpful, and hopefully this is helpful also in your interviews or anywhere else, or in your daily Salesforce life. Thanks everybody. Please make sure to follow my channel.